Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hotkey Highlights, brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about the control key. Control is for create. If you've ever attended an Xactimate training class, you've probably heard that. It's in the Xactimate certification tests. So what exactly do we mean by control is for create? I have here a floor plan from Matterport that's already been imported into Underlay. If you are interested in import Underlay, there's an exact tag for that. And I'm going to drop in a room by hitting my R hotkey for dropping in a room. And I'm going to line that up a little bit. It's not super important that this lines up perfectly in this context because the goal here is to show you what control is for create does. So I have my room here. I've traced over this. I've scaled it appropriately. Here, I'll move this wall just so it's all loosey-goosey. Now, I'm going to grab this wall right here, just this wall, and I'm going to hold down the control key. And I'm going to drag this wall up. And as you can see, it created another room. Control is for create. Now I'm going to grab this wall. And I'm going to hold control. And I'll bring it up. And control is for create. Just to show you outside of a floor plan what that looks like. I'm going to put a room here. I'm going to hold control. I'm going to build a new room. I'm going to hold control. I'm going to build a new room. Hold control. Build a new room. So when you grab a wall of a specific room and you hold control while moving that wall, it actually creates another room entirely off those dimensions. So hopefully this speeds up your sketching process. You can fly through those rooms, adjacent rooms, especially if you're tracing with floor plans or any kind of underlay image. It will be extremely quick to be using control for create to create new rooms. Hope you've enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Yeah.